why do I look like this? I tell you because of that. Hi! So first of all, we take the small section of hair in front and split into 3 sections. And now we have a top strand, a middle strand and a bottom strand. So we take our top strand and cross over into the middle and do the same with our bottom strand. Cross over into the middle. Now we're gonna add some hair. So we take our top strand, cross over into the middle and take some hair from the same side and just add to our top strand. And we do the same thing with our bottom strand, cross over our bottom strand into the middle and take some hair from the same side and just add to our bottom strand, and just continue doing like that. Top strand, cross over, take some hair and just add to our top strand. Our bottom strand, cross over, some hair from the same side and just add to our bottom strand. Take our top strand, cross hair to add, and the rest we braid like a normal braid. Take an elastic and secure the hair. So right now we can just loosen it up a little bit if you want to make it look bigger. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel and see you in my next video. Bye!